Dito may dapa door eh.
Second floor?
Second floor. Dito kayo ba? Sabi, one stair has to be second level. The apartment on the second floor. If you got two,
Ano naman ba?
8801? Anong number room?
Hindi, code unit. Zero na.
Wala naman
Hindi
yun.
ng wrong number?
wait, nasa na tayo?
Second floor na kita.
You got the rooftop entrance. Kahon lang. Alam mo wait. Wait.
Ay na!
Okay, wait.
Lugar pa na mo sa rooftop, palayo.
Uy, kay bukas mo.
May boys na alam mo. Make sure don't it's lock.
Diri ako
So, sabi, if you got to the rooftop terrace, you can go on one level
Level
floor.
Ano?